Amasi Elementary School is now ready to present the virtual graduation and recognition for the school year 2019-2020.
Grade 1 Advisor Ma'am Lilibet F. Ikin will now announce to you the awards of the deserving Grade 1 pupils. These are the achievers of Grade 1 Batch 2019-2020. With honors goes to Lemar Magdawin Cortez. He is also awarded as Fortune's Kid Award and Patience Advocate Award. He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Donides P. Cortez. With honors goes to John Philip Acoba Rule. He is also awarded as Collaborative Kid Award, Golden Heart Award, and Eager Beaver Award. He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Rosler S. Rule. With honors goes to Princess Aliyah Denna Kapal. She is also awarded as Friendly Neighbor Award and Golden Heart Award. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Joseph D. Kapal. With honors goes to Marijoy Turquesa Duruelo. She is also awarded as Eager Beaver Award and Brave Soul Award. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Joy L. Duruelo. Happy Helper Award and Friendly Neighbor Award goes to Jessica Malilin Espina. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Victor L. Espina. Eager Beaver Award and Determined Kid Award goes to Princess Gail Colmenar Caligiran. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Georgie M. Caligiran. Great Giver Award and Determined Kid Award is awarded to Almia Ashley Marquez Pancho. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jeffrey M. Pancho. Thank you very much and congratulations! Ma'am Leonora Artevia will now announce the awardees of Grade 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege and honor to present my class, the Grade 2 Achievers School Year 2019-2020. With honors goes to Hope Justin G. Denna. He is awarded as Honest Kid Award, Eager Beaver Award, Good Sport Award, and Batang Maasahan Award. He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Benjelito R. Denna. With honors goes to Nathaniel Lawrence F. Ikin. He is awarded as Batang Magalang Award, Honest Kid Award, and Good Sport Award. He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Noel A. Ikin. With honors goes to Asher Zoe D. Sanchez. He is awarded as Honest Kid Award, Batang Magalang Award, and Happy Helper Award. He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Mac Sanchez. With honors goes to Dwin Rose A. Denna. She is awarded as Honest Kid Award, Eager Beaver Award, Good Sport Award, and Batang Maasahan Award. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Julius Darwin A. Denna. With honors goes to Jocelyn U. Denna. She is awarded as Honest Kid Award and Batang Magalang Award. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Joey R. Denna. With honors goes to Jenny Rose C. Duran. She is awarded as Friendly Neighbor Award and Batang Magalang Award. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Aladin C. Duran. With honors goes to Arestea Jacem P. Lacar. She is awarded as Honest Kid Award, Batang Maasahan Award, and Eager Beaver Award. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Arnold Lacar. With honors goes to Ashley Nicole R. Lopez. She is awarded as Eager Beaver Award, Good Sport Award, Friendly Neighbor Award, and Batang Maasahan Award. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Fred A. Lopez. With honors goes to Cyril K. M. Pancho. She is awarded as Batang Magalang Award and Good Sport Award. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Domer D. Pancho. Vincent Cyril Cesar P. Galapon. He is awarded as Happy Helper Award. He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. George M. Galapon. Princess Ashi D. Acoba. She is awarded as Honest Kid Award. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ryle Dave C. Acoba. Mariel Jane G. Danao. She is awarded as Batang Magalang Award. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Marlon T. Danao. K.B. Jose. She is awarded as Batang Magalang Award. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rachelito D. Jose. Jayla D. Martinez. She is awarded as Good Sport Award. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Myla D. Martinez. Jesselyn D. Sugitan. She is awarded as Mapagbigay Award. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Alvin P. Sugitan. Thank you and congratulations to everyone.
May we hear from Ma'am Jovelyn D. Pancho, Grade 3 Advisor for the awards and ribbons of Grade 3.
These are the Grade 3 achievers for the school year 2019-2020. With honors goes to Jinky Dagdag Alapitan. She is also awarded as Eager Beaver Award, Collaborative Kid Award, and Friendly Neighbor Award. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jimmy Alapitan. With honors goes to Zaliza Padilla Dayag. She is also awarded as Eager Beaver Award and Honest Kid Award. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Zander Khan Dayag. With honors goes to Kathleen Padilla Dammo. She is also awarded as Peacekeeper Award and Extra Miller Award. She is the only daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Samuel Dammo. With honors goes to Jerwin Cortez Asido. He is also awarded as Happy Helper Award and Team Player Award. He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Erwin Asido. The Meritorious Award goes to Sian Andre B. Denna. He is awarded as Eager Beaver Award and Collaborative Kid Award. He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Melio Denna. Jerlyn Sebo Denna is awarded as Friendly Neighbor Award and Eager Beaver Award. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Gerald D. Denman.
Thank you very much and congratulations!